Welcome to next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about Resource Monitor. Resource Monitor is a great tool to identify which program or services is running, like programs, applications, or network connection and memory usage. To open Resource Monitor, go to Server Manager and Tools. I will show you. Click on Server Manager, click on Tools. Here you can see Resource Monitor. The first section is Overview. It tells how much CPU is consuming every application. And on the right side of the table, it monitors in real-time chart of the CPU usage. The memory tells how much memory every application is consuming. And in the right side of the table, you can see here the memory usage is being monitored in real time in chart of memory usage. And in the right side of the table is being monitored in the real time in the chart of the CPU usage. The disk tab split in by different hard drives. This is will show the current disk input output and will show the disk usage per process. The network tab will show the processors and their network bytes sent and received. It will also show the current TCP connections in your system. And currently listening ID 2. Here you can see the currently listening ID is keep on changing. That's all about a Resource Monitor tool in your server. So thank you all. See you in next video. Keep learning.